Introduce myself. My name is Arfa Khanam Sherwani. I am a journalist from India and I've come here to cover the funeral processions of Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. You asked me how much do I know about him and what is the difference between the way Western countries associate with their Western people associate with their countries and how much of a difference I see in Iranian people. So I think as somebody who covers international politics, I have known about Ayatollah Ali Khamenei and about his role, about his politics, his place in the Iranian society and Iranian politics, and also how he emerged as perhaps one of the greatest icons of anti-imperialism, anti-colonialism. And I come from a country which itself has been a victim of colonialism. So we really know a thing or two about, these powers who try to suppress countries and people who are less powerful than them. So I really connect and associate myself with Iranian country, Iranian people, and also people like Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. I think he will go down in history as one of the greatest people who lived on this earth and resisted imperialism, who resisted these brute force who were trying to enslave millions of people. And it is not just about Iran. I think in the same breath, we should also be talking about Palestine and the issue of Palestine. I think that's very important. And the difference between the Western countries and Iran is that not many Western people connect emotionally with their, country. I think it's very similar to how we feel in India, that we are emotionally connected to the land that we were born in and the freedom fighters that we had. So that's perhaps is the basic difference, that how emotionally Iranian people are connected with the political icons, the social icons of their country.
Thank you.
Thank you.